Good morning, my friends. This is another installment from David Joyner Jr., illustrator, here at the Artist Corner. And I am going to first clear my camera. There we go. Second, we're going to talk a little bit today about shading and coloring. Again, we have a off-camera light source, the sun, if you will. And we're going to be coming in here with this lovely turquoisey color, which I'm testing off page to make sure it works. And we're just going to come right in here, and hopefully everybody can see what I'm doing. So, well, we're going to just, this is the shaded side of this moon or planet that is orbiting this otherworldly place. We're just gonna get it on. So we're using this as our shaded color. I find it quite pretty. That's good. And well, yeah, let's just go ahead and keep it really simple today. We're just gonna go ahead and add a little dark blue to the back side of this, and then we'll just bring it right around the inside edge a little on the inside edge there. Yeah, I like that. Okay, next I will tell you that little Miss Paris, my doggie, is right off camera here, and she is just, she's loving it. She says, "Oh Daddy, your artwork is so beautiful. I love it when you draw. I'm just going to stand right here next to the door and window and continue to bother you because I just love your artwork so much." No, she wants a walk. She does not care about drawing. She does not have opposable thumbs. She has no intention of ever learning. Anyway, we're going to change now to the good old black Crayola. Give us the oily tip because this is the darkest side of our planetary. We're just going to come right in here and just put in the darks because everybody on this side of the planet is in bed sleeping and we're out partying. Yeah, and I know I've said this before, I can't stress it enough. This is the kind of effect that if you overdo it, it's not going to look right, but just the right amount. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so we've got nice shaded light source, and same over here. We're just gonna put in some darks. This might be a little more obvious on the small globe than on the big one. And a little bit of yellow, since we're using yellow in this illustration. And I'm going to hit that with a little eraser. Just a little. Makes that pop just a little better. And we're going to come in here and hit it with a little bit of there, a bit of there, and down here we're actually going to create a little circle, and then the center of the circle is white. There we go. Yeah. So, and I think we'll come in here even and just pull out some of this. Make sure you got your eraser clean for this maneuver. Otherwise you'll discover the amazing properties of smudge You don't want to mix this in with this. But anyway, so we're just going to continue darkening in these areas until we've got it as dark as you want. But I think that's about good for me on that one. So we've got a little fire going on here. We know we're going to have some light down here, so we're going to go right on in there and define the bottom edge, and here, and side. Being that we're in space, we might actually have more of a, this is probably pretty bright with the sun shining on it. A little bit up here, not much, just a tidbit, maybe some in here, and in here. And, ooh, don't want to forget over here. Okay, now we're gonna take, I guess gray. Going old gray here. And I'm sorry if these colors aren't as bright to you guys as they are here, but these are actually pretty contrasting colors. So we're gonna come in here with our gray. Ooh, that's really gray. Yeah. You know what? We didn't test that before we used it, did we? That's okay. We can come in here and do a little correcting. Some of that will come out. Yeah. I don't want to go quite that dark. Well, I don't know if I've got a lighter gray at hand, so let's see if I can accomplish the goal using number 2. So we're just going to come in here with good old number 2. And try to achieve the effect we're looking for with number 2. You do need to, it's good to come in to zones and kind of push and pull. That's what we're doing. We're pushing and we're pulling. And I'm locating the darkened zones. We might even be able to come back with a little black if we wanted to on this one. But since we don't have a lot of time for this illustration, we're at 8 minutes 06 seconds, we're going to go ahead and button her up. I'm going to say that top section is probably this one here. We might as well. Okay, then we've made our decision. We are coming back in with a little bit of black. Alright. Now, get a little bit of black. Where are you? Where are you? I know I put you here somewhere. Oh gosh. Well, I could achieve it with a blue. How would that be? Is that gonna be? Okay. We'll go in with blue. Yeah. I know I've talked before about playing with your colors. Well, here's one of your chances. You can kind of come in and fudge around with your colors. Just remember, a little bit goes a long way. This might look this might look gray to you guys, but this is actually a very blue pencil. So the effect is nice though. I'm liking it so far. And I think we can say definitively that this illustration, go back to my pencil again. Oh wait, no, go back to the yellow again, excuse me. because I start to see the zones a little better, the ones that are requiring the yellow. And here, maybe a little here, maybe a little here. Okay, and more in here. Grab the gray pencil again. And obviously, if I wanted to spend a nice big chunk of time on this illustration, we could really do a lot with it. But we are going to say thank you, everybody, for joining me again for another lovely illustration here at the Artist's Corner with your buddy and illustrator, David Layton Joyner Jr.